On 14th August, I sell my share in this stock. This is a monthly time frame of the stock. Did you see one reversal, two reversal, get broke and huge volume? But what happened after the breakout? It will consolidate for some time and again it will give breakout, right? Let us see this in weekly time frame. After a huge move, it is consolidating, right? And it is forming this wave pattern, right? Let us see this in daily time frame. If we see this in daily time frame, it get a good support 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And 1, 2, 3 rejections. But if we see this in weekly time frame, this is a place where it is taking support in the weekly time frame. Candles are not closing below this weekly time frame. This goes into loss. Let us see why this is happened. Let us see this in daily time frame. Why would I enter at? Why did I choose this stock to enter? Is because of the two reasons. Because of the confidence, this trend line taking support, and in weekly time frame, this is the trend line. Both get matched at the place here. So this has more probability to go into a profitable trade, right? So that's why I choose. But my entry is bad. The mistake that I made is did not choose a 1:3 risk reward ratio setup. Where did I enter is the best place to enter is at this candle, right? At this strong candle. If I enter it here and put my stop loss, both this weekly trend line and daily trend line below around 6%, and this is my target, right? Almost 1 is to 2.5 risk reward ratio. But this is also not enough for me. I want 1 is to 3 risk reward ratio. And let us see. I missed this entry. I want to enter it the next day, but the next day it is gone up. This is not the correct place to enter for me, right? If I enter it here, I didn't even achieve 1 is to 2 risk reward ratio. So what did I waiting is I want to waiting for the consolidation. If this came at here, it will match my risk reward ratio, right? So that's why I'm waiting at this day. At this day, I'm looking at the candle. The candle is here, but at the end of the 20 minutes or 30 minutes, it get sold out. Huge buying pressure and huge wick. This confirms me that this is this will go for sure because of the huge buying pressure at the bottom. I think this will go up. So enter at the end of the day at here exactly. This is a mistake that I had made. If I enter it here, where would I put my stop loss? At here, right? Below this candles close, right? Below this weekly trend line, below this daily trend line. And I can only achieve only 1 is to 1.5 risk reward ratio. This is a bad thing to enter to do. And what happened after that I entered? It get broken down, closed strongly, but I didn't exit because my stop loss didn't get hit, right? I'm waiting for another day. Why didn't I exit is it may consolidate at little bit at here and goes up, right? And the next day what happened? It closed below strongly. And at this day I am very busy. I didn't open the terminal to exit. And in the next day closes at here and I exited exactly at here with a loss of around with a loss of around nearly 13.5% loss. This day what happened is the market get reversed due to the good side movement, and the stock was also reversed by 10% candle. And if we see this in weekly, the candles are not closed below this weekly candle, right? Maybe I should wait for the end of the week to see whether it is closing below this weekly trend line or not. The key learning from this is not a 1:3 risk reward ratio. There is no better entry. And another thing is I didn't wait for the weekly close. And this is it. It take almost 4 days to hit my stop loss. It goes beyond my stop loss, right? This is what happens sometimes if we put stop loss above, but due to the price action we need to close below the stop loss.